So, remember a few weeks ago I was making some vegan burlesque boas for the wonderful students of Tease-Able School of Burlesque in Canberra. And can I just correct a wrong? I am so mad at myself. I missed the pun. It's Tease-Able. I hate myself. Anyway, I told you at the end of that video that I still had a little something to go on them. So welcome to part 2, where I will show you that little something. No burlesque boa is complete without a fancy as shit tassel to go on the end of them. Let's get tasseling. I'm rhinestoning around the top for a bit of sparkle using E6000 to attach my rhinestones. And I'm going to hand sew each individual tassel on. I could machine sew this, but you know me by now. I do love a bit of a good hand sew. Now the one issue with the tassels was, do you think I could find ones in the 2 colors I needed? No. So we're gonna dye these white tassels, and I've actually never used polyester dye before. I've used the cotton one, so this is quite exciting. All I'm doing is following the directions on the bottle to the T, and everything is looking awesome. Now the problem with tassels is once you get rid of that protective coating they come packaged in, they get very tangly and they don't hang as nice anymore. Luckily, I know a few tips to bring your tassels back to life. You can use these tips on any of your tassels you may have at home that might need a bit of love. So first I'm letting them dry, then giving them a comb through. Now I'm just using regular hair conditioner to add a bit of weight and smooth it all down. Then I'm wrapping each one in an elastic band and pulling it down to the bottom. Then I'm painting the ends in a watered down mix of fray lock so that the ends won't unravel. I'll attach these and allow them to completely dry overnight. Lastly, all you need to do is remove the elastics and give them one final brush through. And there you have it. Once again, beautiful tassels. Oh, guess that about wraps things up. Suppose there's only one thing left to do.
You know why I don't have a father?
Did he pass away?
We get so many cigarettes this way. Just between 1 and 80. Let's go.
1 and 80. I'm going to go with 80 then. 80.
A day.
A day? He would have been amazing at running a marathon next to Kathy Freeman.
7 days a week. How?
Does that totally look like it just naturally fell that way?
Yes.
I love that.
Up like this.
Oh my god, I just sat down and my skirt went, oh.
Now, if you would like one of these, I have popped them up on my online store. The address is at the bottom of your screen right now. If you would like one in a custom color, simply get in touch and we'll see what we can do for you.
Well, sucked it.